Okay guys, so today I found this amazing curved Samsung LCD TV which is not showing any display. For instance, we have the power light here, okay, but if we turn it on, let me get them on. If we let me get the remote. If we turn it on, so we don't have any display. We have the backlight, although see, we have the backlight, and backlight also have some spots here, but doesn't matter for the overall picture. But we don't have this display, and if I control the board here with the remote, the internal board is working. For instance, if I click the menu button in the remote, I can hear the clicking sound in the TV. It means the menus and everything is there. It is showing up, but it is not actually, displaying. So it means the problem is with the main board is okay. The problem is with the display board. So we will now open it up and we will try to repair it, try to diagnose it. We will try to diagnose all the voltages and all that. So let's see. Okay, so I just opened it and I connected it with the power supply to see what's happening here. But since when I opened it, I already see so much carbon in the connector. See? And this also feels very tight. Like I have to, it's quite jammed, and it seems like it has been never been serviced before. So we might get lucky if we just clean up all the connectors, and we can get the display also. So we can get lucky on that, and we might not have any problem in this board here. So this main board, it's okay because we are navigating through the menus and we can hear all the voices. We can see the dust here in the speakers. It means this is not recently opened and diagnosed before. So we can get lucky if we just clean all the connectors, and we can clean it with this anti-rust and the eraser. So we can use that to clean it. I will just go ahead and remove the connectors. First I will remove all the power switch, and then we will remove all the connectors starting from this one. Now see, there is so much carbon here. It would be great if we just clean up all this and if we get the display. And let's remove these also. See, oh, this is so jammed. Yeah. But the connectors themselves are very dirty, so we can see. Let's disconnect all of these, remove it, and then we can see what is wrong with it. Okay. This one is kind of, there's so much dirt on it, carbon on it, and this carbon might be interfering in the signals here, might not be providing enough voltages also. So let's see the other side. Other side is a bit cleaner, but this side is very dirty. This side connects with the LVDS board, and which directly connects to the panel. So it seems it might be the problem. Let's see. I will clean it also, and then we will put it all together, and then we will check. If it doesn't work, then we will check the voltages and all that. Now it looks clean. We'll go ahead and do this with the other one also. Seems fine to me. Okay, I'll just clean all this and then I will start recording again, and then we will check. Okay, I reconnected all the cables and all that, and now I turned it on. We have the backlight, but we still don't have the display. This is only the backlight here, so we might have to check the voltages, and we might have to clean more, maybe, not sure. We will try more. I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so after cleaning all the connectors, I was still unable to get the picture out of it. So I diagnosed the board, and we were missing all the main voltages here. We were missing the main voltages here, here, like all the 26 volt, 12 volt rail were missing, although it was being detected over here in the fuse and in the main chip here, and also in this secondary small fuse, but it was missing on the other board. So I researched on the internet, and I found out that if there is some kind of a shorting here in the panel side, so I found out that if we block the clock pins from here, from pin number 16 to pin number 23, we can get the voltages at the feedbacks from the panel circuit turns on this circuit. So it was not turning on due to the protection problem, and when I just blocked the pin number 16 to pin number 23, I got my display now, because it's blocking. So now when I am turning it on, wait, let me turn it on. See, when I'm turning it on, now two lights are lighting up here. When previously this light was not lighting up, and now we got the display here. As you can see, we got the display. So it was very fun learning, and it was amazing. I just successfully fixed this TV and Samsung curved LCD. This was my first experience in it, and I'm so happy that internet is full of useful information, and by using those information we can fix things that are being thrown into the garbage. And finally, see, this is such a big 55-inch TV, and now it's fully working. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm very happy right now. Thank you so much.